In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to build your own block and add the 1 to your A1 code. First, let's see how the A works. As you can see here, I have an A block, and the A block, when I power click on it or I control click on the trackpad on a Chromebook, I can see the blocks that make up the A. So every time A appears, this symbol is going to appear on the screen where it uses this pen-like object that when I put the pen down, it will actually write on the paper, then move, point, move, point, move, point, move, point, and form the A. Then it's going to lift the pen up, move over to give space for the next letter. That's what these steps do to create an A. It's using something called Turtle Graphics, but that we're going to get into more after the gossip lesson. We actually are going to do some more advanced graphics work, but this just kind of gets us started and shows what the A looks like. What's really cool is under motion now, I have built the A block. So if I want to see 2 A's, I can go AA, then I run my code, and now I have 2 A's. Now I have 3 A's, and now I have 4 A's. Since right now you're taking 4 classes, your goal should be 4 A's, and here we go. I have 4 A's. Now when I get rid of these, delete them, I'm getting rid of the A's now by power clicking and deleting or control tapping on my Chromebook trackpad. I'm down to just 1 A. Now I want to make that 1. In order to build my own block, what I have to do is I have to click on this orange variables. When I click on the orange variables, one of the options in variables way down here at the bottom is to make my own block. So I'm going to click on make my own block. I'm going to make it a motion block, and it's going to be a command. If one of these others is selected, that's not what I want. I want a command motion block, and I'm going to call that the generic name 1 because I'm making a 1 and it just makes sense to me. So when I click on that 1, boom, I now have a 1 that I can build. I'm going to take this block editor. I'm going to just organize my workspace a little better. Notice these 3 triangles in the lower right-hand corner. I can grab these and expand these. And now I have to define the 1. Using, again, that pen up, pen down, all that kind of stuff. Right now my pen is up for the move over. So I'm going to put my pen down so that I can write the 1. In the motion blocks, I'm going to grab the point in direction. And this is really cool. When you click this down arrow, it gives you this really nice compass. And I'm going to point up. And then I'm going to move 90 steps, which is the height of my 1. Then I'm going to point the other direction and come back down 180 degrees so that it's coming down. Then I'm going to move that 90 again. Then I'm going to lift that pen up because now I have done it. Then after I've done that, I'm going to rotate. 90 degrees, which is perfect. And I'm going to move over about 20 steps. This is the perfect A, or 1. Let's see. I'm going to hit apply. If you don't hit apply, even when you make changes, it won't register them. I'm going to run my code to see my A1 in. Well, nothing happens. Why not? Here it is. Well, I made the code, but I didn't call the code. So now I have to call the A1. So here's the A1. I have the A. I have the 1. It goes A, and then it should go 1. And when I go on the green flag to run it, well, nothing happened. My goodness, I didn't mean pen up there. I meant pen down. So I'm going to get rid of this block. I'm going to delete it. I'm going to put this block in its place. I'm going to go here, and then I'm going to run it, and still nothing. Why? It says pen down. Remember, every time you make changes to code in your block editor, you have to hit apply. What a pain, but that's the way it rolls. So let's try it now. A1. It looks perfect. Now I'm curious, could I make another A? Would that work? Let's try it. Wow. Isn't that cool? Let's make another one. And another one, pardon the pun. Here we go. Perfect. A-I. Or, sorry, A1, A1, 1. Did it. Can you make it say A1? And if you really want to be advanced, after you do your gossip blocks that you have to build, can you build other letters of the alphabet in your A1 code? That would be a really big challenge. Don't forget to save your work. Don't forget to get to the gossip blocks. Good luck, everyone.